This video will show you how to use CSU Plus to get books, audiovisual, and other physical items not available in SJSU's collection. Connect to OneSearch and enter the title of the physical holding you are hoping to find. Select California State University Collections or CSU Plus. Click the item you are searching for. When there is no availability at SJSU, you will get a message that there's no match for that resource in the library. Now click CSU Plus Resource Sharing Request and request the item. Now you're all set. You'll see that the request has been placed. You can verify this by going to My Account, where you can also check up on the progress of your request. You will receive an email notification when your item has been delivered. You can then pick up your item at the SJSU library. Now you've got the entirety of Cal State Library's holdings at your fingertips. Let us know if you have any questions or issues with your requests. Happy borrowing!